Hello guys, my name is Jesus Guerrero and I'm a developer from Dominican Republic. I'm going to show you today my submission for the Chainlink Hackathon and it's called RoosterFight. RoosterFight is an NFT game where you can claim and train a roster to fight and reach the top of the tournaments. I took inspiration from Set Run, a virtual horse race game, and a tradition from my country called Codefight that bring a virtual game where users can have a live experience of racing and training a nice looking roster and compete with others to win prizes. Here I assemble the homepage where I show basic information about the game itself. Um, the breeds, there are four of them, the tournaments, a fighting system, where every roster has a set of attributes that determine their success in a fight, that are strength, speed, and agility. In a fight, both rosters have the opportunity to throw, punch, and the damage will be between the mean damage, just strength, and max damage, that is the combination of strength plus speed. The roster that causes most damage is the winner. Here is a free roster able to claim. Um, I'm going to choose one just to show you guys how this works. By the way, I am storing the images in Morales EPFS. I'm going to select one of these. I'm going to show. I'm going to select this one. I already have my roster. Let's reload this. Oh, I have to log in sign in first. Sorry. So I have my roster here and I can change the name. I'm going to call it the White Thunder. The White Thunder Neon, but the White Thunder is cool. So I'm going to the tournaments. Go to this one. I have four rosters to fight here. I'm going to join and notice how I have to pay a small fee of 0.1 to be able to compete with these guys. I'm going to select this token fortify. Let's hope for a win. This fight is going to take place in a minute. This is used the VRF coordinator to generate random numbers. So let's see what's the result of this fight. Here goes the damage of 4. Well, this looked bad. And oof, the token 4 won the fight. See, I'm in the last place. But again, I won 1 point. Unable to distribute here. And basically have a better chance for the other fight. This is all, my friends. Thank you and see you there.